हेलो एवरीवन, अ वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग एंड वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल टेक इन मैथ्स। मैं निवेश कुमार दास इस वीडियो में ओलंपियाड क्लास 10th ट्रिगोनोमेट्री पार्ट 3 को कवर करने जा रहा हूँ। ऑलरेडी आई हैव कवर्ड द पार्ट 1 and part 2, so you can watch those videos. I will attach that video. Okay, so in this question, in this first two parts I have covered total 15 questions, right? 15 questions I have covered. Now I will continue with the achiever section, right? So if you see in the achiever sections there are 5 questions, so see how would I solve these questions here. So the question here is, the first question, if you see the 16th one, here we have given, क्या given हमें, cosec theta minus sin theta. So cosec theta minus sin theta equal to what? 1. Okay, equal to L. This is L. Okay, and sec theta minus cos theta is equal to M. ये हमें गिवन है, हमें ये फाइंड करना है, एल स्क्वायर एम स्क्वायर इन ब्रैकेट एल स्क्वायर प्लस एम स्क्वायर प्लस 3. सो जस्ट आई सिंप्लीफाई एल को मैं सिंप्लीफाई कर रहा हूँ. सो कॉसेक थीटा को मैं क्या लिख रहा हूँ यहाँ पे, 1 बाई साइन थीटा माइनस साइन थीटा, ओके, इक्वल टू व्हाट, एल. सो नाउ यहाँ पे एलसीएम लेने पे ये क्या हो जाएगा, 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा, 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा बाई साइन थीटा इक्वल टू एल. ओके फाइन. सो वी गेट 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा क्या होता है, कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा. सो दिस इज कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा बाई साइन थीटा. सो दिस इज एल. तो एल को हमने सिंप्लीफाई कर लिया, एक तरह से सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में ले आया, राइट. वी विल यूज दिस वैल्यू. ओके, उससे इन द सेम वे सेक थीटा को मैं क्या लिख लेता हूँ यहाँ पे, 1 बाई कॉस थीटा माइनस कॉस थीटा इक्वल टू व्हाट, एन. एम, ये एम है हमारा. सो यहाँ पे एलसीएम लेता हूँ, 1 माइनस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा हो जाएगा डिवाइडेड बाई कॉस थीटा. ओके, एलसीएम इज कॉस थीटा, सो एम. So 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. So I write here the sin square theta by cos theta, and this is equal to m. So L और m को हमने sin और cos के टर्म्स में जो है कन्वर्ट कर लिया. Now I will use this value here, L square m square into what, in bracket हमारे पास जो है वो है L square m square, in bracket है हमारे पास L square plus m square plus 3. So we will use that value here. सो एल की वैल्यू क्या है, एक तरह से एल की वैल्यू है कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा. सो आई पुट हियर द कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा बाई साइन थीटा, ठीक है, एल है ये. सो आई विल जस्ट स्क्वायर ऑफ दिस इज राइट, कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा बाई साइन थीटा होल स्क्वायर. और एम क्या है हमारा, एम है साइन स्क्वायर थीटा बाई कॉस थीटा, राइट, बाई कॉस थीटा. इसका भी होल स्क्वायर कर देता हूँ मैं. इन द सेम वे इन द ब्रैकेट पार्ट, सो एल स्क्वायर, सो दिस विल व्हाट, कॉस, मैं इसे लिख लेता हूँ कॉस टू द पावर 4 थीटा बाय साइन स्क्वायर थीटा, राइट, साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस व्हाट, एम स्क्वायर. सो साइन टू द पावर 4 थीटा, साइन टू द पावर 4 थीटा होल स्क्वायर, सिंस वी आर गेटिंग फाइंडिंग हियर. सो ये क्या हो जाएगा, कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस व्हाट, 3. ओके, नाउ सिंप्लीफाई दिस. सो दिस इज व्हाट, कॉस टू द पावर 4 थीटा. सो आई राइट हियर कॉस टू द पावर 4 थीटा बाय साइन स्क्वायर थीटा, साइन स्क्वायर थीटा, and this is sin to the power 4 theta, sin to the power 4 theta by cos square theta. Okay, take the LCM in the bracket part. So bracket part का LCM जो है वो क्या हो जाएगा, sin square theta cos square theta, sin square theta cos square theta. So this will be multiply here. So ये हो जाएगा cos to the power 6 theta, and ये हो जाएगा क्या, sin to the power 6 theta plus what, 3 sin square theta cos square theta, 3 sin square theta cos square theta. Okay, नाउ आई कैन कैंसिल दिस हियर. अब मैं क्या क्या कैंसिल कर सकता हूँ, इफ़ यू सी. सो साइन स्क्वायर थीटा, साइन स्क्वायर थीटा, ये दोनों मिलके हो जाएगा साइन 4. तो साइन 4 कैंसिल हो गया. कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा, कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा, कॉस टू द 4, ये कैंसिल हो गया. व्हाट आई कैन राइट दिस, ये हमारा क्या है रिजल्ट में, साइन कॉस टू द पावर 6. सो आई कैन राइट दिस एज कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा द होल क्यूब, कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा द होल क्यूब, एंड साइन स्क्वायर थीटा, साइन स्क्वायर थीटा, मैं इसको लिख सकता हूँ साइन स्क्वायर थीटा का होल क्यूब प्लस व्हाट, 3 साइन स्क्वायर थीटा कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा, कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा इन ब्रैकेट आई कैन राइट व्हाट, यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट में मैं साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा, दैट इज बेसिकली 1. ओके, सो ये हमारा फॉर्मूला बन रहा है ए क्यूब प्लस बी क्यूब प्लस 3ab इंटू ए प्लस बी. सो आई कैन राइट दिस एज ए प्लस बी द होल क्यूब, राइट. सो कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा, cos square theta plus sin square theta. Okay, 1 minute. So here we get sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to, so this is your sin square theta plus cos square theta the whole cube, and this is 1 the whole cube. So this is what, 1. Okay, so the correct answer for this question is 1. Fine, so we get the answer for this question, that is 1. Okay, right, so the option A is the correct option. Okay, coming to the next one, 16th one. Okay, basically 17th one, 16th I have already covered, 17th one. Okay, so in the 17th one what we have here, fill in the blanks. So यहाँ पे हमें मैच करना है, राइट, यहाँ पहले पी क्यू आर की वैल्यू, देन वी कैन गेट द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. सो हमारा पहला क्या है, यहाँ पे x है a cos क्यूब थीटा, b है क्या हमारा b साइन क्यूब थीटा. सो आई राइट हियर द x इक्वल टू व्हाट, x इक्वल टू a साइन क्यूब थीटा, a साइन क्यूब थीटा, राइट, and b is what, y is basically y is b cos cube theta, y is b cos cube theta. Okay, fine. So what we have to find here, the x by a to the power, x by a to the power 3 by 2. Okay, 2 by 3, and y by b to the power 2 by 3. सो पुटिंग जस्ट वैल्यू फ्रॉम हियर, एक्स बाई ए क्या हो जाएगा, एक्स बाई ए हो जाएगा साइन क्यूब थीटा टू दी पावर व्हाट 2 by 3. यहाँ से वाई बाई बी क्या हो जाएगा, वाई बाई बी हो जाएगा कॉस क्यूब थीटा टू दी पावर व्हाट 2 by 3. सो 3 and 3 get cancel, 3 and 3 get cancel. So we get here the sin square theta plus cos square theta, and that is equal to 1. So for this is what, basically this is your p. So p की वैल्यू हमें मिल गया, p की is 1, right, p is 1. Okay, fine, p की वैल्यू I can write here the p as 1. Okay, p की वैल्यू हमारा आ गया 1. Okay, next one is what, x equal to a sec theta, x equal to, we have here the x equal to a sec theta cos phi, x equal to a sec theta cos phi, right. For the second part, if you see, it is x equal to a sec theta cos phi, and y equal to what, y equal to b sec theta, y equal to b sec theta sin phi, and z equal to what, z equal to c tan theta, z equal to c tan theta. Okay, fine, c tan theta. What we need to find here, basically x square by a square, x square by a square plus y square by b square minus z square by c square, that we need to find. So x, just putting the value, x equal to, अगर मैं पुट करूँ a sec theta cos phi by a square, राइट, x स्क्वायर करता हूँ मैं, तो ये हो जाएगा a स्क्वायर sec स्क्वायर थीटा cos स्क्वायर phi divided by what, a square. Then y square, so putting the value of y here, so b square sec square theta sin square phi, right, sin square phi divided by what, b square, minus z square, so I write here the minus z square, so c square tan square theta by c square, so c square cancel, b square cancel, a square cancel. So now for the remaining part, what I take common here, पहले दो टर्म में से मैं sec square theta को कॉमन ले लेता हूँ. So if I take sec square theta common, so cos square phi minus plus sin square phi in the bracket part, and minus what, tan square theta. So cos square phi plus sin square phi is basically 1, so we are left with sec square theta into 1 sec square theta minus tan square theta, and we know this identity, this is equal to 1. So we get the value of q is also 1, q की value भी हमारा क्या आ गया, 1. Okay, now we have this part, right. So just I solve this part, third part हमारा क्या है, यहाँ से if you see here the cos a plus cos square a equal to 1. So from here cos a, what I can write, cos a को मैं लिख सकता हूँ क्या, 1 minus cos square a, and 1 minus cos square a is sin square a. So cos a is basically, cos a जो है वो sin square a के इक्वल है, Okay, fine. So now if you see r क्या है हमारा, sin square a, I write here sin square a, this sin 4a, इस sin 4a को मैं क्या लिखता हूँ, sin square a whole square, and for sin square a I put here the cos a. So this is what here, this is your cos square a, sin square a, first sin square a, I write this as sin square a, ये sin square a as it is है, And for this sin square a, I write here the cos a, so cos a the whole square, cos square a, and sin square a plus cos square a is 1 identity, so this is r is also 1. So p is 1, q is 1, r is 1. So if you see the option, correct option is D, p is 1, q is 1, and r is 1. Okay, let us continue with the next question. Okay, so next question is what here. So next question we have here, the question number 18. Okay, fine, let us continue with this question. Which of the following is correct? So here the first one, we need to simplify the first one. First को अगर simplify करता हूँ तो we need to just put the value cos 45 1 by root 2, so whole square 1 by 2. Tan 60 is root 3, so whole square is 3, minus 6 time sin 45 is 1 by root 2, whole square is 1 by 2. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3, so whole square is 1 by 3. Now simplify this. So just multiply, open the bracket, so 2 and 2 get cancelled, 1 plus 6. Also multiply this, open this bracket, so this is 6 into 1 by 2, that is 3. Okay, and plus minus into minus plus, 6 into 1 by 3, that is 2. Okay, now simplify this part, so you get what here, this is what 3, and this is 6 minus 3, so plus 3, so this is 6. Okay, so first one is correct, first one is correct. Okay, and the second one, we'll solve the second one. If you solve the second one we have sin square 45 cos square 45. So basically you can just put here sin square 45 cos square 45. Even we can apply the identity, that is 1 by what, by we have 10 square 60, 10 square 60. Okay, 10 square 60, 10 60 is what, root 3, 10 60 is root 3. Okay, fine. So 10 60 root 3, so the root 3 the whole square. If you see the sin square 45 plus cos square 45 is 1, right, and roots 10 60 is root 3 whole square, so 1 by 3. Okay, you see the option. Okay, so this is also correct, second one is also correct, so this is also correct. Okay, now simplifying this part. So here we have the cos sec theta minus sin theta, cos theta sec theta minus cos theta. Third part basically we have cos sec theta minus sin theta, cos sec theta minus sin theta, sec theta minus cos theta. Okay, sec theta minus cos theta into what here, tan theta plus cot theta, tan theta plus cot theta. Okay, tan theta plus cot theta. Okay, simplifying then this part. So what I can write here, the cos sec theta as 1 by sin theta minus sin theta. Okay, sec theta as 1 by cos theta minus cos theta. Okay, tan theta as what we can write here, tan theta as sin theta by cos theta, so I write here sin theta by cos theta, and cot theta as cos theta by sin theta. Okay, fine. Now simplify the first bracket, so 1 minus sin square theta, this is 1 minus sin square theta by sin theta. Okay, in the second bracket 1 minus cos square theta by cos theta. In the third bracket LCM would be cos theta sin theta, and this will be sin square theta plus cos square theta, and you know this identity, that is 1. 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta, so I write here cos square theta by sin theta, into sin square theta, 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta by cos theta, into what, 1 by cos theta sin theta, cos theta sin theta. Now see here, so here sin theta, this sin theta into sin theta is sin square theta, so cancel this out, cos theta into cos theta cos square theta, so this is also cancelled out, so 1. Okay, if we see this result is equal to 1 by 2, so this option is incorrect, right, this is incorrect, this is incorrect. So what do we find here? Okay, so what do we find here, the first, okay, we find here the option, we have to, one more we have to solve here, the fourth part. So fourth part basically is 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. Okay, we have to see this identity is equal or not. Okay, fine. So 1 minus sin theta for the fourth part is what here, 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. So simplifying this, so what I will do here is I will just multiply the opposite sign of this, 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta. So ये क्या हो जाएगा हमारा 1 minus sin theta whole square, give this in terms of whole square as well, right? So this is what a plus b a minus b, so ये क्या हो जाएगा 1 minus sin square theta जो cos square theta होता है, ठीक है, 1 minus sin theta का whole square हो गया है, और ये क्या हो गया हमारा cos square theta, that right? So what I can write here is 1 minus sin theta by cos theta the complete whole square. So I can write this 1 by cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta the whole square. 1 by cos is what, basically sec theta minus tan theta the whole square. Okay, fine. So if you see that this is equal to yes, so the your option means fourth one is also correct. So which one is incorrect? The third one is incorrect, first is correct, second is correct, and fourth is correct. First, second and fourth. So option D is the correct option. Okay, let us continue with the next question. So the question number 19 here, which of the following is correct? Again this type of question is there, we have to see which option is correct. So first simplify is independent of theta, so basically we will simplify the first one. Okay, so 3 times, what I can write this as, I can write this as sin theta minus cos theta whole square, right? Power 4 is there basically, and then whole square. And for this I will expand this, basically I will expand this. So this is what sin square theta, I can write this as sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta plus 4. For this what I can write, sin square theta whole cube, sin square theta whole cube, cos square theta whole cube, right, whole cube. Okay, so first in the first bracket we will apply the a minus b whole square, so a square plus b square cos square theta minus 2ab, so right here minus 2ab, okay, sin theta cos theta. So identity we have applied, and then whole square is there, this whole square. Okay, in the second part, in this part sin square theta plus, already expanded, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, so 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta, that I write here. Okay, and this one a cube plus b cube, will apply here the formula of a cube plus b cube, that is a plus b the whole cube. So sin square theta plus cos square theta a plus b whole cube minus 3ab, so sin square theta cos square theta, in bracket what, sin square theta plus cos square theta. Okay, fine, but sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, so this is even 1, this part is also 1, okay, this is also 1, so I can write this as 3 times 1 minus 2 sin theta cos theta the whole square. So I write here the 3 times 1 minus what is this, 2 sin theta cos theta the whole square, 2 sin theta cos theta the whole square, sin theta cos theta whole square. Okay, next what we have here, 6 times, so I just multiply this, 6 plus 12, I write this here, 6 plus 12 sin theta cos theta, right, sin theta cos theta, fine. Okay, and what we have here, the 4 this one 4 times, this is 1 minus what, 4 minus 3 times, so I can even open the bracket, so 4 minus 12, I write here the 4 minus 12 sin square theta cos square theta, right, sin square theta cos square theta, 4 minus 12. Okay, fine. Now what I will do here is I will just expand this part. Okay, I will expand this part. So when you expand this part, so we get what, 3 times, this is what, 1 a square, so 1 square plus b square, so 4, this is 4 sin square theta cos square theta, okay, minus 2ab, so minus 2 into 2, 4 sin theta cos theta, 4, this is what, 4 sin theta cos theta, okay, and plus what here, Even we can write this as 10. Okay, 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 12 sine theta cos theta, and minus 12 sine square theta cos square theta, cos square theta. Okay, if I open the bracket here, so we get here the 3 plus 4 sine square theta. So this will be 12, right? 12. Okay, 12 sine square theta cos square theta, and this will be also 12 sine theta cos theta, plus 10. So I write here plus 10, and then 12 plus 12 sine theta cos theta, and minus 12 sine square theta cos square theta. Okay, so this 2 is cancel out, plus minus, this is even cancel out, so we get 13 here. Okay, 13, which is independent of theta. Okay, fine. So we are asked, is this independent of theta? Yes, so this is correct. Okay, so first statement is correct. Now we have to simplify the second one. So second one is what? We have given the cosec theta minus sine theta as a cube. So we'll write here the cosec theta minus sine theta, cosec theta minus sine theta, cosec theta minus sine theta as a cube. Okay, and sec theta minus cos theta, sec theta minus cos theta as b cube. Okay, if you see, fine. So what we have here, the cosec theta minus sine theta a cube, sec theta minus cos theta as b cube. Okay, so we'll just simplify first. Okay, already this step we have covered. So we will write here the 1 by sine theta minus sine theta as a cube. So if you take the LCM, so this is 1 minus sine square theta, you can write this as cos square theta by sine theta. So this is a cube. Okay, fine. So we get a cube. Now same here, we can get here the sine square theta by cos theta, right, equal to what? B cube. So this is a cube and b cube we get. We need to find what? A square b square in bracket, what we have? A square b square in bracket a square plus b square. Okay, a square plus b square. So right here a square plus b square. Okay, so putting here the a square, a is basically power 1 by 3, so a square. So I write here the cos square theta sine theta to the power 1 by 3, but square is here, so we can write 2 by 3. B square, so that is what? Sine square theta cos theta, this is even power what? 2 by 3. What we need to find right here, the a square in bracket a square plus b square. So same this result here, cos square theta by sine theta to the power what? To the power 2 by 3 plus b square. So sine square theta by cos theta whole power what? 2 by 3. Okay, so now simplify this part. So this is what basically cos to the power 4 by 3, cos to the power cos theta to the power 4 by 3, and this cos theta to the power 2 by 3. So just subtracting this power 2 by 3 because this is in denominator, and in this part sine theta to the power what? 4 by 3. So even here I write here this one, sine theta to the power 4 by 3 minus 2 by 3 in bracket what we have here. So this cos theta to the power cos theta to the power 4 by 3, and this cos theta multiplies, so 2 by minus 2 by 3, sorry, plus 2 by 3, plus 2 by 3. Okay, and so plus here what? This will be sine to the power sine theta to the power what here? 4 by 3 and plus 2 by 3. Okay, and divided by here LCM is cos theta to the power 2 by 3 and sine theta to the power 2 by 3. Okay, so now if you see here the cos theta to the power, this one is what? 2 by 3. So I write this as, 1 minute, let me add. Okay, fine. So here we have the cos theta to the power, I can write here the cos theta to the power 2 by 3, right, 2 by 3, and sin theta to the power 2 by 3, 2 by 3. What we have in the bracket? So if you see the bracket part, so cos to the power here 2 by 3, sorry, 6 by 3, so 2 cos square theta. So in bracket we get here cos square theta, so this is your cos square theta and plus sin square theta. And in denominator part we have here cos theta to the power 2 by 3 and sin theta to the power 2 by 3, okay, 2 by 3. So this is cancel out, this is cancel out, okay, and we have cos square theta plus sin square theta, that is equal to 1. Okay, now coming to the question here, so if you see, is this equal to 1? No, this is equal to 2. So only first is correct, that is independent of theta, right? So option A, only first is correct. Okay, now coming to the last part, okay, the question number 20th. So here find the value of 1 by tan theta plus this one, when 1 plus cot square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is basically cosec square theta. So what I do here is I will just simplify this expression first. 1 by tan theta plus what? Sin theta by 1 plus cos theta. Okay. So what I do here is I can just write this 1 by cot tan theta. Right, 1 by tan theta, that I can write is cot theta. Okay, I write this as cot theta, and I will simplify this part. Okay, I will simplify this part, or what I can do here is just convert everything in terms of sine or cos. Okay, I just convert everything in terms of sine and cos. So this is what cot theta, 1 by 10 is cot, so I can write this as cos theta by sine theta. Okay, and this is what sine theta by 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta. Okay, so taking the LCM, so this is what cos theta plus cos square theta, cos theta plus cos square theta, and this is sin square theta, divided by what? Sin theta into what? Sin theta into 1 plus cos theta. Okay, if you see the cos theta, and this becomes what? 1 plus 1 divided by sin theta into 1 plus cos theta. So 1 plus cos theta get cancelled, we are left with 1 by sin theta, and 1 by sin theta is basically cosec theta. Okay, cosec theta. So we get here the expression, this expression is basically cosec theta. Okay, and 1 plus cot square theta, what we have given here? We have given 1 plus cot square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to what? Under root 3 plus 2 root 2. We have given here under root 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 1 the whole square, minus 1 the whole square, minus 1 the whole square. So 1 plus cot square theta is basically cosec square theta. Okay, cosec square theta, and this is equal to what? Under root 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 1 whole square. So just removing square from both sides, so cosec theta is basically this one, under root 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 1. So what I can do this, I can write this square root part as 2 plus 1 plus 2 root 2 minus 1. Okay, so I just make this complete square, so I can write this as root 2 plus 1 the whole square, root 2 plus 1 the whole square. If you expand this, a square, so 2, b square 1, 2ab, so 2 root 2 minus 1. So this is what? Root 2 plus 1, okay, a minus 1, so this is cancel out, so this is root 2, right? So this is equal to root 2. If you see the option here, so you find the correct option as A is the correct option. Okay, hope you will be clear with this all solution, right? I have covered the achiever section question. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing my channel. Bye bye, take care.